So my husband got this idea in his head, and it has to be done no matter the temperature. So we're now in the work shed making a vertical planter out of some of the overabundance of big planters that we have. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, that's what we're going for. It's very large. Let's see if we can.
Right now, but
right. This is just the prototype. Good job, buddy.
hold on. Don't do it until you get something connected, because you don't know where the hole's got to go.
Okay, so this is what we, after some debate, this is what we decided on. Instead of doing a 5-level tower, we're just doing 3-level towers, because we can put a pot in the middle for support, and then we're actually just drilling through. Let me show guys. Drilling through, or they are drilling through, and then attaching them with zip ties, because we're using what we have available to us on the ranch instead of buying something new, which is debatable what's easier. But everybody's working together, which is nice, and the youngest one is,
Until he gets it done, you can't do the next one.
the youngest one's learning how to do some power tools, so that's cool, and everyone's using their imagination to figure out a solution to a problem. So this is what the finished product looks like, and then hopefully we'll be able to plant strawberries that can cascade over the side and be able to easily be picked. Or what else could we plant in here? Flowers, obviously, but as far as growing food, cucumbers.
Cucumbers been put on the fence.
Oh, we're putting those on the fence. Well, anyway, strawberries for sure, and I'm sure we'll figure out something else to do with them too. But it's a pretty good,
Any kind of tomatoes,
it's a pretty good use
pepper.
of these extra materials that we had on the ranch, and pretty easy to put together. So we'll just have to check back and see how they work once we start planting them.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
Daisy. Daisy wants to help. She's the boss lady. Good girl, Daisy.
Oh, she's so long under it.
Hey, Christian, watch out, buddy.
The drill, man, be careful.
Okay, 1 level's done. Okay, so we are finished, and we've got 3 of them done, ready to plant, and the guys are bringing them in right now. And we are very ready to go inside and have something warm to drink. But let me switch around the camera and show you what the finished 3 products are. I'm really proud of you guys. You did a nice job. So this will be a nice amount of planting space that we don't have to dig up and till, which is also a lot of work. So here's the guys. Brogan, come here. I'm sorry about the mess in the shed. There's the workers. Good job, guys. Give yourself a hand. Do you feel accomplished, hon? Was this your vision?
Kinda.
Yeah.